Hi, I'm your organic PT and today I'm going to show you how to start a herb planter. I've chosen these herbs because they create a great variety of colours, shapes, scents, textures and of course taste. So here we have rosemary, which gives us a bit of height and is perfect to be used with meats. If you don't eat meat, they're great in roast potatoes, crispy roast potatoes or something like that. Next, we have a really, really lovely variegated pineapple mint. It kind of has a really unusual flavour, but it's great for use in mojitos. A classic basil, ideal for any tomato dish, but I also think basil makes a really beautiful herbal tea. And of course, thyme, which provides this amazing scent, and flowers later on in the year, which are also amazing. Okay, so I'm going to plant these up into a trough, which is about 60 centimetres in length. It's perfect for a windowsill. First, you need to fill your trough with about 2/3 full of compost, so I've already done that. And then we'll just space them out. You want the leaves to be about on the same level generally, or around the same level as the pot. And here we go. I space them out just to make sure they've still got plenty of room, or at least enough room around them all. Don't worry, by the way, about these fibre pots, they just decompose. And then it's just this one that needs to come out. Perfect. So this way you can arrange them, make them look really nice. And then just need to firm them in with some compost. So all I'm doing here is I've made sure I've spread them out enough so that each plant has a little bit of space around it, just to expand a little bit. And then I've topped up the trough. I've topped up that sort of last third. And now I'm just making sure that none of the roots are exposed. I'm pressing them down a little just to firm the soil and make sure they're tucked in really well, because they're still young plants. So they will need just tucking in for security. Perfect. And then they just need watering in. Great, and so that is our herb planter. Herbs usually do best in a sunny, sheltered spot like a patio or a windowsill, but they can also be grown inside. You only need to water them really when the soil is dry. It kind of depends on your situation, whether it's in a warm house or a cool spot. So just be sure to check your soil regularly just by giving it a touch. And if it is really dry, then make sure you give them a really nice, good water. Harvest as much as you like, but do make sure that you leave at least sort of 30% of the plant. In fact, it's a really good idea to try and harvest your herbs as regularly as possible, as it sort of helps to contain their growth and also gives you a really neat, well-shaped plant. And trust me, if you leave some herbs long enough, they will grow and grow until they are simply out of control, which is not ideal for everyone. I hope you found this really useful, but let me know in the comments section below.